how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really, really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
There is nothing that he did other than killing Biafrans and dumping their body in Isu River. So when you look at all these things, I don't know, because I am challenging them to come. Let Obi come and come. Let us have conversation, because because we have millions of Biafrans who believe in what we are doing. So let him come and let us have conversation, so that the people that are following us will listen to how reasonable Obi will be. Because we don't want to hear I save money. There are fundamental questions. There are more worrisome questions. There are more worrisome issues that we need to be addressing. Not the issue of economy. No, economy is secondary, because there are things that can fix economy automatically. Fixing economy does not need a calculation, does not need a format. There is no format to fix any country economy. The format lies on two things: security. One, security. Two, energy, electricity. Once you fix these two things, that's it. The economy of any nation that have security and electricity, which is energy, will have a boom. Every other thing will follow. Healthcare system, education, every other thing will come automatically. So these two important questions, security and energy, I want to ask Obi how he is going to fix these two issues. There are other questions, so I am just telling you that we, the Biafra agitators, are not stupid. Before we join this agitation, we have template of how countries are run. We have template of America, we have template of European Union and the different member states in European Union. We know we are in the government. We are participating, we are decision makers. I am part of a decision maker in this country. Yes, I am part of decision maker. So we know how government are run. I want to tell you today that the only thing that Obi will do to convince me today is let him tell me how he is going to handle the security and the energy in a diversified Nigeria, very dangerous diversity like Nigeria, where the Fulani don't want the energy, where the Fulani don't want the electricity, where the Fulani don't want the security of your women, and then you see there is no investors. Everything crashes. Your country will be put in the high risk when you are going to the index of investment. Nigeria is in a high risk of Gogi or Yamiri. High risk of anybody going to invest in Nigeria. You are already 100% or 80% sure of losing your money. Your country become a high risk of investment. So when Obi is talking all these things, and all these idiots are praising him, I will be laughing, because I am involved in politics. My politics is not local politics, international politics. So when he's talking all these things, my campaign, I come, I make Anambra, I saved money, I left money in the account, I did this one, I did that one. I will be looking at this man, and of course, because that is why we say that those of you in Biafra land, we have taken the responsibility of making decision from you. You are not longer qualified to make decision yourself. And that is why we are making this decision from abroad. And it is going to be like that, because it is for your best interest. It will be paining some of you, Because they say, we are in abroad, come here, come to Nigeria. That is the language. And that is to show that what we are doing is working very well. Because actually, you have come to understand that we are making decisions for you from abroad. Because you are being led by the superior brain. The brain that is working somewhere in abroad is being applied back home. So you are privileged to have, for God to have positioned many people, Biafrans in abroad, to be making decisions for you, because you are enjoying, in fact, the privilege you have. Only few nations that wanted freedom have it in this world. And the Biafrans are the most traveled ethnic group in the whole world. So you are very lucky to have millions, not even 100, millions of Biafrans who are professionals abroad. And they have taken it upon themselves to be making decisions for you from abroad. Because all of you in Nigeria, there, your brain is dead. You can't decide. You can't make any decision for yourself. Because even if you look at who can even believe that upon what is happening individual, how did he make his money? He don't want anybody to be like him. He wants to be the God. That is why he has contested the election almost 100 times. He lost everything. Today, he is contesting again. And Obi, one boy, Peter Obi, one boy, Atiku, sitting like this. In this slave, sitting like this. Nature, Peter Obi was sitting like this and was waiting when they are going to ask him, okay, how are you going to do the economy? Okay, I will times 2 to get 4. I will times 3 to get 6. And I'm going to do the economy of Nigeria. And the Peter Obi will be talking about these things. But let me surprise you today. Everything Peter Obi is talking is fake. All this format Peter Obi is talking is complete fake. It is unreasonable in Nigeria system. It is not attainable. It is impossible, because for a system to work, you need to have what we call a database system. You need to have a structure to make that work. Nigeria do not have it. Where is Peter Obi going to start? How is he going to put it in the north? Oh my goodness, my people. The north is not even interested in a progressive Nigeria. They are interested in oil in Bayelsa, belong to Jigawa. They are interested in what I read to you now about the Look at the report. They are interested in using aggression to put fear in all of you. It was that same aggression that made Obi to be calling Atiku my boss, because he don't know who is following the convoy. He don't know when Atiku will tell the Fulani boys, where Do Road to go and wait for Atiku. They are doing it. It is only telephone call. Atiku is for Nigeria to work. Everything we are doing is to show you how impossible it is for Nigeria to work as a country. So where are you going to start? So it is when we are addressing Obi, if we are addressing Obi, we are addressing Obi based on what Obi is saying. Okay? Because he is boasting about achievement as a governor, as a former governor of Anambra State. So we need to address that. If he says he have achieved education, Anambra was the best in education and all that, let him tell us, how did he do it? And where is the template and where is the structure today, or the whatever he put in place? I'm telling you now, there's nothing, because it is not educational. It is not the institution that have a conducive environment. It is not the school. The school fees. If you say you remove a tuition fee from school, well, there are state. But we understand that during Obi time, university increased their tuition fee to the highest. The records are there. So when somebody come to talk about his achievement, we'll address his achievement. But that is not even the issue. The issue is that achievement in Anambra State is not what you should use to come and tell us how you are going to be ruling a very dangerous, diversified Nigeria. Nigeria is practicing and sitting on a very dangerous diversity that I have been reading out from the report in 1902. This is the point. And
So, my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.